Hey guys, Lance Ortega here, the RV guy. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful 2025 RiverStone. We are here at Transwest, Belton, Missouri. We're about 30 minutes south of Kansas City, Missouri. Beautiful full body paint. I absolutely love this color. If you're going to travel somewhere super hot, this is something that you can full time in. It has got 3-inch walls. It's already prepped for a generator. Doesn't have one, but it is prepped. And just absolutely gorgeous. We'll start here and take a look at this. We got two oversized LP bottles right here. We do got the furnace running because she's a little chilly today. We've got a nice, huge, absolutely huge. Just hang tight. I'm going to open up the other door real quick just so you can kind of see just how big this thing is. So yeah, a lot of space in here, and you'll also notice right here we got a water manifold. So you got your cold water on this side, hot on this. If you had a leak somewhere, you can isolate it, but still keep water flowing throughout the coach. Now as we come around the front, you're going to notice this Kurt Air Ride hitch setup. Just really helps with that anti-chucking and gives it a lot smoother ride when you're starting to pull it. Beautiful front cap, and I like the integrated lights here inside the cap. Just nicely done. Now this is going to have 6-point auto leveling, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 2 in the back. You're going to notice the previous customer had already put snap pads on there to kind of give the feet there a little bit more space, more room on the ground. And if you're going to put them down on asphalt like this, it's important to have those on there. So this is where your batteries would go. That's our battery bay, and we've got enclosed valves. So you'll notice the black, the gray valves there. Those are your dump valves. It's all enclosed, heated. So very nice as far as if you're going to do any kind of cold weather travel. It's nice to have all that heated enclosed valves, and I don't have to crawl underneath a slide to get to those valves. Very nice. We got our Truma AquaGo on-demand hot water heater. Suburban furnace. We are putting it to work right now. The slides have already got the slide toppers on there. You know, another thing I want to point out is the underneath of these slides. Instead of having that flimsy Darko wrap, this is a nice solid base, so it's going to stand the test of time. Now we got a little bit of storage over here. When we get inside, this would be like where your trash can would go. We do have another little storage bay. So a lot of storage for the exterior, a little bit more than normal than what you typically see in a fifth wheel. This is going to be a power 50 amp cord reel. Push of a button, you can bring your cord in. Beautiful rear cap. It's nice that we got the ladder on there. It does have the left and right camera and backup camera. Got a little hitch here in the back. It is a 300-pound weight capacity for that hitch. We got a slide topper over the slide out here as well. And then we do have exterior entertainment. Nice to have your TV here if everybody wants to hang out, watch the game, maybe sit at your picnic table, watch the news in the morning with your cup of coffee. We got a awning here on the slide out that is attached to the slide out. So when the slide comes out, you're not sacrificing any of your awning shade. And we got an additional awning that starts from the front of this fifth wheel up to this slide. So almost the full length of this entire fifth wheel, you've got a ton of awning. You'll notice the steps, they have adjustable legs. So depending on your terrain, you can adjust those steps. And I love this handrail. So I got a nice easy low step as I first get in there. Nice easy handrail to hang on to. You'll notice we got a camera right here by the front door. And just makes it much nicer coming in here. Got a nice big grab handle here to the left. Well, welcome to the inside of this beautiful fifth wheel. This has got to be one of the nicest fifth wheels I've seen in a very long time. Let's start off here in the kitchen because it is absolutely amazing. I love this waterfall feature. Solid surface here on the side, wraps around to the front. Huge stainless steel sinks, under-mounted for easier cleanup. Got your gooseneck faucet. And it just gets better as we go along. The cabinets are definitely next level. All hidden hinges, solid wood cabinetry. Just tons and tons of cabinets. This is where we saw outside the trash can on the other side. Little soap dispenser should you want it. We got a 4-burner stove. This is a contour oven and stovetop. Man, this thing is super clean. It's like they've never used it. Man, it sparkles. Very, very nice. Got your paper towel holder right there. Got some nice overhead cabinets. If you got pots, pans, I mean, this literally is just another home. And these are all soft closing. So, nice overhead cabinets here. Huge. Man, that goes deep. That's got to be at least 2.5 feet deep. Got the nice crown molding that's wrapped around on the cabinets. Crown molding up against the ceiling. Oh, I like the texture of the ceiling too. You got the wood paneling here. So different types of ceiling here. So nice contrast. Definitely gives it a nice residential feel. I definitely don't feel like I'm in like a travel trailer. It kind of gives you more of a utility feel. You definitely don't get that. Love the light treatment here in the kitchen. So definitely next level. We're going to go ahead and get this lock. It's got a little lock here if you're driving down the road. We don't want your refrigerator flying open. Beautiful Samsung refrigerator. Absolutely pristine condition. Just like new. It doesn't look like it was ever used. Just absolutely gorgeous. Got our ice maker. Now we got the fifth wheel is winterized, so it does have antifreeze in it right now. And so before we head off into the rest of the coach, I do want to point out this nice little dishwasher. So all the convenience of home right here in this beautiful fifth wheel. So we got our dining area right here. And you've got windows, beautiful views all around the coach. You've got a nice work desk right here. So if you like to telecommute, maybe do a little work away from home, does give you that option. You've got power, reclining, entertainment theater seating. Sitting here facing your massive Samsung TV. This looks like about, I'd have to look at the specs, but this looks like about a 65-inch TV. It's just absolutely huge. But got your couch here. Nice fireplace. We got this thing pumping out some heat right now too, so that's always nice. And then we got your little sound bar right here. Got a ceiling fan up above. Got your whisper quiet ACs. Just beautiful. Now as we make our way into the rest of the fifth wheel, this is going to be a bath and a half model. So this is kind of nice. You got your porcelain toilet here. We got this nice mirror with this nice backlit light here behind the mirror. We do have a stack washer dryer. Very cool. Got more storage up here, tons and tons of storage. So we got a laundry hamper. So from the bedroom, there's a door. Throw your dirty clothes, easy access. Throw it into the washer. So kind of cool. Now as we get ready to make our way upstairs, got a place, little under kick right here, maybe a place to throw some shoes. We do have a little digital display here where we can go through, control a lot of the functions of this fifth wheel. We'll start off here at home, control our climate, our lights, do our auto leveling from here, turn on our AC or our furnace, control our different lights throughout the motorhome, and if you had a generator, you could probably go through here and start it. All right, as we make our way up, we're greeted with a king bed with a window on both sides of the bed. There's that little door right there where you could throw your dirty clothes, little laundry hamper. Now you will have 110 outlets with USB-A and USB-C and two 110 outlets on both sides of the bed. Got some nice drawers here with your TV. And this is something I typically don't see either, is these little cabinets here that are kind of integrated into the wall. So you can always use the storage. Now we make our way into the master bathroom. We've got this beautiful Jack and Jill sink, huge mirror with the beautiful back lighting there in the back of the mirror. Nice big seat shower here with the seat opposite end of all the hardware, so you can just sit and soak if you want. Beautiful shower head. Plenty of storage here for towels, linens, and you got all this next level construction on the cabinet. It's got all this dovetail construction. This is when you know you're getting into something really, really nice. Now this is what's really super cool about this, is this awesome little utility closet. This is something I've never seen in a fifth wheel. We've got hanging rod on both ends, and just super, super neat. Got your vacuum in there. So, I mean, you know, you make this what you want it, but it's just super, super neat. Well, guys, that is a super quick peek at this beautiful 2025 RiverStone Legacy model. If you guys would like to start your next adventure in this beautiful fifth wheel, give me a call. You can reach me at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.